Every luxury bicycle begins with carefully sourced engineering materials. Each delivery is digitally tracked before production can begin. Every shipment is authenticated before entering production. Traceability ensures complete manufacturing accountability. Heavy industrial equipment safely transfers every production material. Each pallet follows a predefined logistics route. Proper storage protects premium materials before production. Inventory is monitored in real time.
Every component receives complete digital traceability. Certified materials are verified before entering production.
Only flawless materials proceed to manufacturing. Precision inspection prevents future defects. Quality approval authorizes production to begin. Every batch meets strict engineering standards. Frame production starts with precision aluminum cutting. Every measurement follows engineering specifications. Computer-controlled machining delivers exceptional precision. Every frame section is manufactured to micron-level accuracy. Controlled bending creates the bicycle's structural shape. Every curve is measured for perfect alignment. Accurate positioning is essential before welding begins. Precision fixtures eliminate alignment errors. Robotic TIG welding creates lightweight, high-strength joints. Consistent weld quality ensures long-term durability. Every weld is inspected before further processing. Precision verification guarantees structural integrity. The frame surface is refined for its luxury finish. Next comes precision polishing before gold treatment. The frame is polished to an ultra-smooth surface. A flawless finish is essential before gold plating. Every trace of contamination must be removed. A perfectly clean surface ensures superior plating adhesion.
A completely dry surface prevents plating defects. Environmental controls maintain consistent quality.
Surface activation prepares the metal for electroplating. Controlled chemistry ensures uniform bonding. The copper layer creates a smooth plating foundation. It improves adhesion for the luxury finish. Nickel plating enhances durability and corrosion resistance. It creates the perfect base for pure gold. Pure 24-karat gold transforms the bicycle into a luxury masterpiece. Every micron is carefully controlled. Every plated surface is inspected for perfection. Luxury demands absolute consistency. The protective coating preserves the gold finish. It adds long-term resistance against wear. Controlled heat hardens the protective finish. The coating becomes permanently bonded. Carbon fiber components reduce weight while increasing strength. Every pattern is digitally optimized. Each fiber layer follows a specific orientation. Correct layup maximizes structural performance. Heat and pressure permanently form the carbon fiber. The finished parts combine strength with low weight. Precision trimming ensures a perfect fit. Every edge meets strict engineering tolerances. Every carbon fiber component is verified before assembly. The production line is now ready for bicycle construction. Wheel manufacturing begins with precision-machined aluminum rims. Every hole is drilled to exact engineering tolerances. Perfectly polished rims improve both appearance and performance. Surface quality is checked throughout production. Precision wheel building ensures maximum strength. Even spoke tension guarantees long-lasting performance. Laser alignment creates perfectly true wheels. Precision here delivers a smooth ride.
Premium tires prepare the wheels for demanding terrain. Air pressure is calibrated with precision.
Precision bearings provide smooth steering and pedaling. Every fit is measured for absolute accuracy. The suspension system improves comfort and control. Every bolt is tightened to specification. The drivetrain transfers rider power efficiently. Every component is torque tested during assembly. Hydraulic brakes provide reliable stopping power. Each brake circuit is pressure tested. Precise cockpit alignment enhances rider control. Digital torque monitoring prevents assembly errors. Proper saddle positioning ensures rider comfort. Precision adjustment completes another assembly stage. The bicycle finally takes its complete shape. Every wheel is securely fastened. Luxury details distinguish this exclusive edition. Every component is digitally recorded.
Every moving component receives final calibration. Precision adjustments ensure flawless performance.
The handcrafted finishing reveals the bicycle's luxury character. Next comes comprehensive functional testing. Every drivetrain is tested before approval. Smooth shifting confirms precision assembly. Stopping performance is measured with laboratory precision. Every brake must exceed factory specifications.
The frame is tested for exceptional structural integrity. Luxury never compromises engineering strength.
Suspension performance is verified under controlled loads. Precision sensors measure every movement. The frame is tested for exceptional structural integrity. Luxury never compromises engineering strength. The luxury finish receives its final visual examination. Only flawless bicycles earn certification. Every bicycle receives a unique quality certification. Complete production history remains permanently recorded.
A final cleaning prepares the bicycle for its owner. Presentation is as important as performance. Protective packaging prevents damage during transport. Every luxury finish remains perfectly preserved.
Premium packaging protects every handcrafted detail. Documentation accompanies every exclusive bicycle.
Every shipment is digitally traceable worldwide. Labels connect each bicycle to its production history. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. Stable pallets reduce transport risks.
Finished bicycles are stored until customer orders are released. Digital inventory maintains complete shipment accuracy. The completed bicycles are prepared for worldwide delivery. Every shipment is verified before departure. From premium raw materials to handcrafted luxury, every bicycle reflects world-class engineering.